So here I am with a mountain view. Uh, I'm based in Florida, so this is new to me. I've traveled to Mexico for personal reasons. Um, Still gonna do these videos, and let's get better in the light. Right now, staying in a old hotel. Um, you see, looking at this grounding quality of the mountains above the traffic of Mexico City. And I guess what I want to say today is even in a busy city like this, there is a way to appreciate nature and feel into the grounding quality of that. There's a lot of trees here too, so that's a thing that helps. I'm here on a. I'm sorry if I'm getting distracted by looking at the mountains. But I'm here on a mission to support my mother as she's aging, and it's going to be a stressful journey. So, what to do? How to recharge in between. And this is nothing that you need to convince yourself of. All you have to do is look out over at nature, breathe into the bottoms of your feet, even if you're on the third floor of a hotel. It's all still connected to the earth. And from there, connect. The mountain range has been here before all of this so called civilization. It'll be here after it's all sunken back into the swamp where it all grew out of. Because Mexico City was built on some very unstable ground. That's why there's earthquakes here. That's why some of their famous buildings are becoming crooked. So just feel into the permanence beyond the idea of permanence. And whether people here are doing it subconsciously or unconsciously, it's definitely supported a huge, huge population. It's one of the most populated cities in the world. This is always there, these mountains. And breathing in and feeling that, the permanence beyond all this impermanence, or at least a more lasting structure beyond the current, very fragile human structures. Feel how that creates a grounding quality within you. Whether you're gazing at a tree or a mountain range, nature can always be found. So find it. Find the nature, breathe into it, stay connected to the earth through your breath and through what you're seeing in the vista. I promise things will be okay. I'm here to help you keep growing this sort of conscious awareness. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos coming. Even on my trip, I'm going to work on providing a video a day. Thank you.